Multani official passage number 16. Start. Each higher gazetted officer should, therefore, inspect the office of his immediate subordinate, and since the greatest impact on public is exercised by the working of these base, the frequency of inspection should increase progressively in descending order from the higher to the lower rungs in the line of authority. Full stop. I am accordingly to request you to please lay down and enforce, if not already done, the intervals of inspection of the various offices under you, as so to provide that the base officers are inspected as frequently as possible. Full stop. The higher officers should also inspect the office inspected by their subordinates, compare their own notes with those recorded by the latter, and freely offer advice and guidance to their subordinate officers. Full stop. Paragraph. Desultory or casual inspections are of little value if they lack purpose, or if the inspecting officers have not settled in his mind what he is going to look for. Full stop. For inspection to be a useful tool of supervision, it is necessary to lay down a list of specific points to which attention should be directed. Full stop. A sample list of such points is herewith enclosed for the guidance of inspecting officers. Full stop. The list is, by no means, exhaustive, and it should not, therefore, prevent the inspecting officers for looking into other aspects that, in his opinion, need attention for improving the efficiency of the organization. Full stop. It is also not necessary for the inspecting officer to examine in the detail all the points given in this list during a single inspection. Full stop. Paragraph. Inspections, as a rule have a generally salutary effect, but useful results can only be achieved if the inspecting officer is through the searching in his observation and gives constructive and helpful advice to his subordinates for retrying shortcomings and defects. Full stop. To ensure that the system of inspection yield the desired results and does not deteriorate into a routine formality, the inspecting officer should submit a proper inspection report to the next higher officer. Full stop. The inspection report should be brief and praise and contain an answer to each of the points prescribed for the inspection. Full stop. In the end, they should summarize a clear picture of the working of the particular sector of the organization on which the report is submitted. Full stop. They should simply defects notice and give constructive suggestions for improvements. Full stop.